Peace, peace. What's the deal? We keeping it light and sweet today. Today's a leg day, so I'm normally supposed to be doing deadlift today, but my weekend was a little crazy this weekend. I didn't get to do my squats, and I've been doing deadlifts and all that. So today I'm gonna do Zercher squats. I always wanted to give it a shot, so I never did it before, but I definitely see they're good for you. So I'm gonna work in some Zercher squats today. We're gonna go for 5 sets of 10 or 50 reps, however I get there. Whether that be 5 sets of 10 or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just get there, and then I'll do another 50 reps of regular squats. Let's get to it. Bring you a little closer. This is perfect. This is perfect. It's trying to rain. It's trying to rain on me out here. Ish. That's looking like 5 sets of 10. That's looking like 5 sets of 10 right there, baby. We're gonna take that easy right there. Five sets of 10. And we get done this. We'll hit that rope for 10 minutes. And we're gonna call it a night. As long as I do my squats. That's all I'm supposed to do today. We're almost a third of the way to my little goal or whatever. My goal is to get up to 90 days and just see what the transformation look like. Already I'm building up some good strength, you know what I'm saying? When I first started this, I'm not saying I couldn't do where I was at on the bench, but them reps kind of coming a little easier to me, so I definitely feel the strength coming, you know what I'm saying? People be up in the comments, man. You're right. I definitely got to get on the cardio too. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm working that rope. And like I said, coming soon. I just, you know what I'm saying? I got a baby. I got an infant, and I got a 1-year-old. Got 2 under 2. So, you know, I'm trying to work that time into where I can, you know what I'm saying? Get outside with the blades and hit it up. You know what I'm saying? That's coming soon. Set number 2. Let's get it. It's good money. We definitely got to build this squat up too. I'm good behind the back. No problem. This Zercher is a different type of challenge right here. I like it. I like a good challenge. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, in addition to the cardio, I'm working on the diet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you. My diet definitely can use some cleaning. You know what I'm saying? I like to go out to eat. That's one of my vices. So I'm about to nip that in the bud. You know what I'm saying? I might go out every weekend. So this month, July about to be over. August, I'll probably cut that down to just going out one time for the whole month. My wife's birthday. So that'd be it. Other than that, we cooking at the house. We doing protein with broccoli, maybe some, you know, find a good complex carb. You know, we're gonna do this. We're gonna hit the salad up hard. Hit the salad up hard next month. So around day 60, you're gonna see it. Day 90, we're just gonna be dialing it in. So let's go. Two more sets, baby. Definitely feel good to be out here, man. I love it when I keep them promises to myself. I say I'm gonna do something, gotta do it. It's all a man have is his word. And it feel good to keep it. Just keep them promises to yourself, man. It's a compounding effect, man, for your confidence, your self-esteem, all that, you know what I'm saying? Keep that word to yourself, accumulate them small wins, man. It's gonna turn into bigger wins. We got 2 sets left. 10 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and get that out the way. I might even bang out 20, man, and just get done with it. Let's go. It's the first half. Second half, we're gonna do regular squats. Behind the neck, regular barbell squats. Let's go. All right, second half, let's go. One down, 4 to go. We even made it up to 65 subscribers, man, in less than 30 days. I'm very grateful for that. If you could like, comment, subscribe, share, hype, all the above, you know, post it on your Facebook, your IG, send it to somebody, you know what I'm saying? I definitely can't do it without you all, you know what I'm saying? So I'm looking forward to getting to 100 subscribers. I'm looking forward to getting to 1,000 subscribers. I'm looking forward to get to 100,000 and 1 million. You know, like I said, it's not about perfection. You know, at first I was saying, you know, I gotta wait till I lose the weight. I gotta wait till I get in the perfect shape before I start documenting my journey. But nah, you know, I'm gonna document right from where I'm at. You know, perfection is never the goal, it's progression. So no matter where I'm at, I'm sure somebody out there that can relate to me, you know? And so, therefore, if I can touch that person, and just like my brother Cochran say, ignite that, you know, spark, be that spark, you know what I'm saying, to ignite that flame, my job is done, you know what I'm saying? So therefore, me and my brother Cochran, we got a message, man. We got a message. So, you know, spread the message, man. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. And just, you know, 1% better a day. You know what I'm saying? That 1% daily advancement. That's it. At the end of each year, 1% better. And Atomic Habits, the book Atomic Habits, one of my favorites, say you get 37% better each year. You know what I'm saying? Imagine what 5 and 10 years can look like with this level of growth. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's get this out there, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share, everything. You know what I'm saying? Definitely can't do it without you. I appreciate all the love I'm getting. I appreciate all the comments, all that, the good ones and the bad ones. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's keep going, man. Got 4 sets to go. Three sets left. Let's go. Two more sets. This last one, we're gonna do 20 reps again. All right, let's go. good money. That's a Benjamin. 50 and 50. All right, that's good. I'm gonna do 100 skips, man. That was a good one there. Never skip a leg day. I'm gonna do 100 skips with the high knee. Twenty. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. Call that a wrap right there. I'll catch y'all next time. In the meanwhile, build yourself, destroy your excuses, rebuild your life. Peace.